Hey there, car lovers. Have you ever let your fuel gauge creep below that 1/4 tank mark? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the top reasons why you should never let your car hit that dreaded low fuel mark. Stick around, because this could save your car and your wallet. Let's discuss the reasons why you should avoid letting your car's gas tank drop below a quarter full. Reason number one, protect your fuel pump. The fuel pump relies on gasoline to stay cool. When the fuel level drops too low, the pump may overheat, leading to premature wear or failure. And trust me, replacing a fuel pump isn't cheap. It can cost $400 to $1,000 or more. Reason number two, avoid sediment damage. Over time, dirt and debris can settle at the bottom of your gas tank. When you're running low, your car's fuel system can suck up that gunk, clogging your fuel filter and injectors. This can hurt your engine's performance and efficiency. Reason number three, prevent running out of gas. Running out of gas isn't just inconvenient, it can also be dangerous. If your car stalls on a busy highway or in an isolated area, it increases the risk of accidents or leaves you stranded. Reason number four, save wallet. Did you know that keeping your tank fuller can actually improve your fuel economy? With less air in the tank, there's less evaporation of fuel, which means you're getting the most bang for your buck at the pump. Reason number five, emergency readiness. Life is unpredictable. Whether it's unexpected traffic, a detour, or even an emergency evacuation, running out of gas at the wrong moment could leave you stranded when you need your car the most. So what's the takeaway here? Keep your tank at least a quarter full, and you'll save yourself from expensive repairs, stay safer on the road, and enjoy better fuel efficiency. Your car will thank you, and so will your wallet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and let us know in the comments. How often do you refill your tank?